Hey guys, my name is Teri Turner and I am excited to show you this used 2017 Leisure Time Unity is what it's called. So this is on a Sprinter chassis with a diesel engine. So now with the Mercedes, we're going to get some fuel economy now, which matters to us. Since this is small enough, where wouldn't I go with this rig? I can drive all over. I'm not limited like I am with bigger motorhomes. So I love that. The other thing I'm going to, just pardon my back, show you just how easy it is to get in and out of this motorhome. Even the step, everything's a little lower. So this is really the ease that you want when you're driving something like this. And it has all the features of a big motorhome. We call this a full basement storage here. We do have an Onan generator. It is an LP generator. On Mercedes, we have a little smaller motor. So you want to have your generator working off of propane instead of taking it from the fuel tank that comes on here. We have some decent out. This is all full body paint, of course. And I like this storage. Even the storage bay is heated. That's a heat duct right there. So molded rear end cap. It comes with this, which I believe was an aftermarket, but you can keep it. You can put bikes on it, storage, or you can take it off if you didn't need it. We have, I am going to talk, again, this is a steel frame for safety, lane assist, collision assist. I mean, they are thinking about us out here and, you know, that we're safe. Because again, I'm going to drive this all over the place. I'm just going to quickly point down here to your service center. I can turn on, you know, the propane switch right here. This is a macerator. And what a macerator is, this is where your waste goes and it pulverizes it. Again, thought of everything, because we don't have big storage to keep these big hoses for sewer hoses. So it all comes through this little hose, which is kept in here. But outside shower. Again, we'll show you the slide out when we get inside. I also like, with these, again, with a Mercedes, when you open or slam a door, you know you're in a Mercedes. This is your fuel here. What I like about this too is, if the door is shut and locked, no one can mess with your fuel tank. So I like this feature, you know, for us. And again, easy in and out of the motorhome. Lithium batteries, and there's 2 of them. And that's for the house. So we have an inverter. We have all the highline features of a diesel pusher, frankly. But it's in this smaller rig. Come on inside. I want to point out a feature that this has. So these chairs, obviously, they are recliners. And their power, and you get the gist of that. But this goes down like this and goes out of our way. These chairs turn like this. This table comes down, and you're sitting here eating like at a regular table, which is totally cool. Close that up. Now to make it into a bed, and if I have enough time, Liz,
yep,
I'm going to take out this cushion. This goes in like this. Same on the other side. I mean, everything is quality when you touch it, you know, just feel it. And what you'd expect here, I suppose. Just like that. I go like this. Oh, I think you got to get that other side for me, Liz. Sorry, I have to incorporate my camera person.
Do I just twist it?
Yep.
Okay.
Just like that. This unsnaps like this. This flips over. Honey, you're home. But even to the point of the mattress is amazing. But even to do this behind you for a headboard, all in this beautiful leather that they do.
Is this a king?
But this is, you know, I'm not sure if it's a king, Liz is asking. I looked at it without measuring, but it sure does look like a king. But look how easy it is for us to get in and out of bed. This is what we're talking about. In a small motorhome, we're getting these kind of features. So this is probably one of the best engineered, you know, motorhomes, honestly. Everything makes sense. All Corian countertops in here. I like this with a window that opens. All the windows open in here, of course. Let me get you.
Let me switch.
Oh, I want to show you this too. This is a nice feature. Your TV is here. And it's just right in front of us, our bed and everything else. So I really do like that. And it's a big TV. All the storage up in here. It's almost like a high-end boat, I would say. Microwave convection, pull-out pantry, lots of storage in a little rig. But a huge bathroom. Again, we're in a B+, so it's saying a lot about how they figured out. 2 fantastic fans, this huge shower, you know, somebody tall is in here. Of course, porcelain toilet. I'm sorry, I reached in front of you.
Nope.
Still?
Nope.
But again, I mean, pocket doors, little counter extension. The seats turn around as you're seeing behind you in the cockpit. The other thing about the cockpit in this is that, I mean, I could sit in there, and I'm 5'6", but somebody 6'5" would sit in there comfortably. Sometimes when you get in these smaller rigs, taller people or bigger people can't fit in there comfortably. Super easy in and out of that cockpit. And easy is what we're looking for here. We don't need to be complicated. We just want it all to make sense, and it all makes sense. If you're interested in this rig, please give us a call. Thank you guys for watching.